Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Deepak Joshi. Firstly, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Well, today's topic is very much interesting because we are discussing on topic local anesthetics. This video is mainly for diploma in pharmacy second year students. Before this video, please check out our other videos. To watch that, please click on the I button on the right top corner or go to description box below or go to our YouTube page, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our page videos. Now let's start this video. So firstly, introduction. Local anesthetics are the drugs which produce reversible loss of sensation in limited area without loss of consciousness. It means these are the drugs which are lose the sensation in the limited area of body where the drug is applied, and this is reversed after some time, which is depend on the dose of drug given. And in the local anesthetic name itself, it indicates local and anesthetic, which means in the local area only the anesthetics are occurs. They are act by the blocking the conduction of sensory nerve impulse near the site where the drug is applied. Main difference between local anesthetic and general anesthetics is in the local anesthetics, these are loss of pain occurs without the loss of consciousness, or also it will be described as local anesthetics are the drugs which when applied directly to peripheral nervous tissues block nervous conduction and abolish all the sensation in the parts supplied by nerves. They are generally applied to somatic nerves and are capable of acting on axon and cell body and synapse. Next slide. Local anesthesia may be induced in the many ways depending on route of administration. So surface or topical anesthesia blocks the sensory nerve endings in the skin or mucous membrane. Local anesthetics causing surface anesthesia are called as a surface anesthetics. Infiltration anesthesia is produced by the injection directly into the area that is painful or to be subjected to surgical operations. Spinal anesthesia is induced by the injecting the nerve within the dual membrane surrounding the spinal cord and nerve cord. So local anesthetics are used for temporary relief of pain in the surgical procedure, dental manipulations and injury. Structural pure name of naturally occurring local anesthetics, that is cocaine, leads to the introduction of synthetic drugs. Means from the cocaine the different synthetic drugs are introduced. The synthetic ester type of local anesthetics, for example benzocaine and procaine, are radially hydrolyzed in the body by the enzyme esterase. Hence it is given with the adrenaline to prolong the duration of action. In order to increase the half-life of local anesthetics, the ester group is replaced by the amino group. As the result of procanamide was prepared, which also possesses local anesthetic property. However, this compound was later found to be useful to treat cardiac arrhythmias. Next, later on the compounds with reverse amide function, that is amido nitrogen attached to aromatic rings and carbonyl part forms the part of side chain were synthesized. Among this series, xylocaine was introduced. In these 2,6-dimethyl substitutes provide steric hindrance and thus stabilize the amide bond. Hence, it is extremely resistant to hydrolysis. It is twice potent but more toxic than procaine. It is well tolerated by the tissues and it is not necessary to administer it with adrenaline to prolong the duration of action. Synthetic local anesthetic drugs have many properties in common. They possess various degrees of water and lipoidal solubility. Since nervous tissues is rich in lipoidal solubilities are essential for drug penetration in the neuronal fiber, while water solubility helps to get the drug to site of action. An effective local anesthetic therefore must contain hydrophilic amino group and intermediate chain and lipophilic aromatic group. Thus, a generalized structure would be as follows given in the figure. In this benzene ring and C double bond O numbered as a 1 means lipophilic part, O single bond CH2 n times numbered as a 2 means intermediate chain, and third is hydrophilic part, that is n single bond R1 and R2. Next slide is classification of local anesthetics. Mainly local anesthetics are classified in two parts. First one is on basis of chemical and second one is basis of origin. So in the chemically classification, this is again classified in three main parts, that is esters, amides and miscellaneous compounds. Esters are again classified as A. Esters of benzoic acid, for example cocaine, and B. Esters of para-aminobenzoic acid, for example benzocaine and procaine. Amides are subclassified as A. Aniline amides, for example xylocaine, and B. Non-anilide amide, for example cinchocaine. And examples of miscellaneous compounds are phenol, chlorobutanol, argonol and benzyl alcohol. In basis of origin, these are also classified in three parts, that are first natural products, second synthetic compounds, and third miscellaneous drugs. Example of natural product is cocaine. Synthetic compounds are again classified in 6 parts. In that first A is benzoic derivatives, for example xylocaine, isobutocane. B. para-aminobenzoic acid derivatives, for example benzocaine, procaine. C. meta-aminobenzoic acid derivatives, for example orthoform. D. amides, for example lidocaine, dibucaine. E. urethanes, for example diprodone. F. miscellaneous compounds, for example paramoxine, cinchocaine, benzyl alcohol and propanediol. And example of miscellaneous drugs are clo oil and phenol. Now we are studying individual drugs which are given in the syllabus copy or required in the diploma in pharmacy, that are benzocaine, procaine and lignocaine. In this first one is benzocaine or ethyl para-aminobenzoate. It is ethyl ester of para-aminobenzoic acid. Below this there is a structure of drug having the chemical formula C9H11NO2. Next, the physical properties. Benzocaine is a colorless or white crystalline powder having no color but bitter in taste and very soluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol and soluble in dilute acid. Next is the chemical properties. Containing benzocaine contain primary aromatic amino group, hence undergoes diazotization with NaNO2 in presence of HCl, then on coupling with 2-naphthenol in the presence of sodium acetate, it gives orange-red precipitate. Next point is stability and storage. This drug is stable in the air but affected by light, so stored in the wet closed light resistance container. Next point is uses. It is local anesthetic, that is synthetic surface anesthetics, and it is used in to relieve pain associated with the ulcers, wounds, mucous surface. Orally, it is given to relieve pain of gastric carcinoma. For symptomatic treatment of tuberculosis, laryngitis in the form of insufflation or aqueous alcoholic solution. To treat pruritus, anal fissures and hemorrhoids, to prevent nausea, vomiting in the form of lozenges. Next point is the dose. This drug is having dose for cream and ointment of 1 to 20% in the ointment or cream base. Next point is the pharmaceutical preparations. This drug is available in lozenges form, ointment form, spray form, cream form, lotions form and aerosol form under the brand name Vicks Formula 44, Solivax Ear and Helix Spray. Second drug is procaine. or novocaine or ethocaine. It is diethyl amino ethyl ester of para-aminobenzoic acid. This drug is oldest and most widely used anesthetic drug developed in 1906. This drug is having chemical formula C13H20NO N2O2, having the structure and chemical formula 2-diethyl amino ethyl 4-amino benzoate. This drug is having star mark in the syllabus copy, so this drug is important for the structure purpose. Next point is physical properties. This drug is mainly available as in hydrochloride salt. So this drug is having color, colorless or white crystalline in nature, odor, odorless, taste is salty and bitter taste, solubility is freely soluble in water, soluble in alcohol, very slightly soluble in chloroform, and it is non-irritant local anesthetic in the nature. Next point is chemical reaction. In the first reaction of diazotization, procaine is treated with NaNO2 and HCl. It gives diazonium salt, which again react with 2-naphthenol in alkaline solution. It gives orange-red azo dye. Second reaction is hydrolysis. In this drug is procaine is hydrolyzed in presence of alkali or mineral acid to give para-aminobenzoic acid and 2-amino ethanol. This reaction is also given in the diaphragmatic form given below. So reactions is drawn below the slide. Next point is stability and storage. Procaine is most stable at pH 3.5 and gradually becomes less stable with increasing pH. It was found that slightly alkaline solution of procaine had some advantages over acidic solution. However, alkaline solution were not stable, could not be sterilized. Procaine molecule is subject to hydrolytic decomposition. Further products may be radially oxidized. To overcome this weakness of molecule, an amide procainamide was made, which was much more resistant to hydrolysis and proved to be longer action. It is stored in well closed light resistance containers. Next point, uses. Procaine is not absorbed through intact skin of mucous membrane. First used intravenously in 1940, and since then it is being administered by the route of pruritus associated with jaundice for pain due to burns, arthritis and many other conditions. To prolong this activity, adrenaline may be added to consist blood vessel. When used with penicillin, it forms a procaine penicillin salt, which helps penicillin to act for the longer time. Procaine is also used to form a sparingly soluble salt of heparin. Next point is dose. Procaine hydrochloride injection 25 ml of 1.5% solution up to 200 ml of 0.25 to 0.5 solution. For peripheral nerve block, dose is up to 2 ml of 2% solution. For spinal block, dose is 1 to 3 ml of 3.3 to 5% solution. Dose for the procaine and propoxyphene is used for dental use. Also, procaine and tetracaine, this combination is used for the dental use, and procaine drug is available under the pharmaceutical preparations that are procaine and adrenaline injection, procaine benzyne penicillin injection, fortified procaine penicillin injection under the brand names Novocaine, Planocaine and Pronistine. Third main drug is lignocaine or lidocaine or xylocaine. Lignocaine belongs to the amide class of local anesthetic. This is an anilide of 2,6-dimethyl-aniline and N,N-diethyl glycine. This amide is prepared from diethylamine and chloroacetyl xylide. This is the structure of lignocaine. This drug is having also star mark in the syllabus copy. So this drug is having importance for mainly structure, formula and chemical name. So this is the structure of lignocaine, and formula for lignocaine is C14H22N2O, and this is having the chemical name N-diethylamine acetyl 2,6-xylidine or 2-diethylamine N,2,6-dimethyl phenyl acetamide. Next point is physical properties. This lignocaine drug is white, crystalline in nature with odorless and taste is slightly bitter. With solubility very soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol and soluble in chloroform. Having the pKa value 7.9. This is next point is stability and storage. This drug is very stable compound among all the other local anesthetics. It can also be autoclaved and so much frequently used local anesthetic. This unusual stability of lidocaine is due to its 2-methyl group and ortho-2-amide linkage. This does not degrade by the oxidation or oxygen. This is stored in a well-closed container. Next point is the uses. It has a quick onset and high degree of penetration and is twice as potent as procaine. It is also an excellent surface anesthetic. Following an infiltration of 0.25 to 0.5% solution, the duration of action varies from 30 to 60 minutes. Addition of adrenaline prolongs the action for about 2 hours. It is also widely used in dentistry at 5% concentration in ointment with polyethylene glycol as base. The drug is recommended for topical use, nerve block, infiltration and epidural injection and dental anesthesia. Next point is the dose of drug. Lidocaine ointment for topical use mainly used in 2.5 to 5% in dose. Lidocaine HCl injection for epidural anesthesia having the dose 10 to 30 ml of 1% solution. For the infiltration, 2 to 60 ml of 0.5 solution may be used. For peripheral nerve block, 1 to 20 ml of 1% solution is used for the dose. This lidocaine or lignocaine drug is available under the formulations lignocaine injection, lignocaine eye drops, lignocaine gels under the brand name Otec, Otocil C, Trox, Lignox and Jesicaine. This is all about the local anesthetic in this video. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you in the some way or other, and if it did, then please hit that thumbs up button. It gives me so much motivation to produce new videos. And please subscribe to my channel. It not just makes up for all efforts that goes into making video apart from daily schedule. Thank you for that. And if any query, you can contact me on mail and also on social media like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Link is in the description box below. And also follow me on this social media platform. Till then, thank you very much, and at last, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much.